Hi guys, this is Ibrahim Khalil from my channel SOFTBD. Hope doing well. In this tutorial, I will show you how to create database table in SQL Server. Let's go to start. First of all, I open SQL Server 2014 Management Studio. Just click here. Guys, you see the SQL Server Management Studio is open, and here I give password and then open Management Studio. Here you see the database. Now I'm going to new query for create database, and here I just select 150 for font. Here you see the master database is selected default. So now I am going to create a database. For create database, I just write SQL command create database, and here I giving the name database name. Here I give the name test db, and just write execute. Here you see commands completed successfully, and let's go to see database create or not. I just give the refresh, and then you see test db is created. If you want to drop this database, then write drop database and giving the name which database you want to drop. Here you see test db, and then select this line because I want to run only this line, so that's why I select this line and click execute, and you see command completed successfully. That's why I need to refresh, and you see test db is not here. But for create table, I want to create a database, so that's why I again select create database test db and click here. Command completed successfully. Now I'm going to refresh, and here you see the test db is again created. Now I'm going to create a table, so that's why which database I use, that's test db. So I select test db and just create table, and here I giving the name employee info, and then first bracket is on. This is the table name, and now I am giving to name field name. First of all, I giving the name id integer data type, and then comma, then name, giving the data type worker, and giving size. Here I giving the 50, then address, then worker I giving here 200, and I'm going to the next line worker, then I'm going to another field city, also worker, and here giving 100 because here I not comma, and then now I am going to run this SQL command for create a table. So execute, command complete successfully. Now let's go to refresh and see the table, and you see here dbu.employee info is created. But and also you see here the column name, which one I made id is here, name is here, address is here, city is here. Now I want to add another column or field like age. For this I want to alter table. So for add new column or new field, just need to write SQL command alter table and table name, which one the table you want to create a field, and then add. I want to create the field or column is, and here I give the integer, and now let's go to run only this command, then execute command successfully. Now I want to refresh, and here you see the age is already created. So guys, you see here how to create database and how to drop database and how to create a table and how to alter a column. Guys, now I'm going to create command for create a table with not null. So I just create another table grade, and here also I giving id not null. Id just first of all integer data type and then not null. Not null means null value not acceptable, and also grade name marker. I'm just giving here the size is 50, and here also I giving not null because I want to create a table which two fields are not null value acceptable, so that's why I want to giving here id data type, then write not null grade name field name and marker 50 not null. Just run this line for create a table assigning the field not null. So execute and commands completed, and now I'm going to create a table. Now I'm going to create a table with default value. So create table, then department and first bracket id integer not null, then department marker, just giving the size 50, and here I giving the default value, then default default. I just giving the name admin, and close the first bracket. Sorry, this one is keyword, so I give the HR and HR. Okay guys, here you see the error. So here is a syntax error. I am just giving here the this one. If you assign the default value, you have to use this syntax. So here I want to create a table with not null, and I just giving a department if in run mode, client side mode, no field entered in department option, the table will create a default value HR. So let's go to run this project, the command, execute command successfully. The department table already created. Here I see the table. You see here I just created three table. One is employee info, here you see another is grade, and here you see the grade, and here you see the department. Now I'm going to create a table with primary key. So create table, I'm going to name section id integer not null, and then section marker 50, then just comma, and then primary key id. Here you see the section, just give the name section name, and here I just close the id. So guys, here you see the error. Here is need to close this field. So here I created table section, and two field is here id and section name marker, and here I giving assign the primary key in id. So run this command and you see here command successfully. So let's go to see the table. Here you see the section table is created, and here is column is, you see here id, and pk means primary key, and section you see the barker null value acceptable because here I don't write barker not null. And another one you see here department column id integer not null, department barker not null because here I see here also I do not keep the null value. So then guys, you see the in this tutorial I show you how to create database, how to drop database, how to create a table, and how to alter or add a column, and how to create a table with not null, and how to create a table with default value, and how to create a table with primary key. Guys, if you like this video, please share, like, and if you do not subscribe my channel, please subscribe my channel, and if you have any query, please write on comments box. Bye for now.